May 2022, we signed a contract and began negotiations with the MEM group to combine the two businesses together. We've been here now as one group for almost a quarter, and it's been a busy year and a half, but we're up here now. So now that we're here, we're focusing on our people and our process and getting our culture all bedded in, and making everyone feel as one team rather than two sub-businesses. We've added additional value streams to the group now with the mechanical. We already had a lot of medium vehicle, truck mechanic type work with the nature of business that we did. However, now we can grow that exponentially. We're only a quarter in. We've already seen a 40% increase to our baseline revenues. That's outside of our project work. So that's exciting for our guys. And also some of the clients that we brought with us are excited to see additional capacity and have now started booking out forward work. Now we're seeing them single source supply with us and getting a big uplift in the current clientele as well. So it's posed a lot of opportunities for our current clients. Our sales team's excited to not have capacity problems now and planning problems. This site is 24/7 operational. Just that alone has seen a double in capacity and capability for our light fabrication division that we brought with us. But also it's allowed us to bring a lot of our external providers' work, like steel processing and that back in-house, now that we can operate that around the clock. So it's exciting to see what those guys are doing now in engineering and how they're nesting and doing things after hours with the closed door manufacturing, and we can start to really test the boundaries of our capability. So the new business model, we had a year and a half of planning around what it would look like. So ultimately we came to work tight so we could get our value streams as efficient as possible. So it splits into really 5 divisions. There's light fabrication, and the light fabrication comes along with steel processing and blasting and painting. There's heavy fabrication, heavy mechanical and component refurbishment. Then there's the medium vehicle, medium mechanical work, and then there's our engineering. So there's sort of 5 hubs here of workflows that go through. I would say the best way to understand all industries is looking at those 5 value streams and seeing the different diversity of product ranges within those value streams. So being on site today, only 80 days in, it is a good snapshot of where we're at and what we've done. This business is 25 years old on this site, so what we see today is just the beginning, and it's exciting to see what we're going to turn it into.
As everyone would know, in the current climate, it's extremely hard to get employees. It's a battleground out there at the moment. So all industry's been 30, and now combining MEM has given us a total of 65 FTEs. So it's a significant asset to acquire, when you can't get people.
And having the car park to have 65 FTEs parked off street, on-prem, that's a big challenge that we've faced, and we don't have that problem anymore. As you can see, it's good to have a big car park, eh?
It's a booming industry at the moment. When we first kicked off into business in 2014, that was in the downturn, and that was hard, trying to push through those times now. And to 2023, like I say, the coal industry is booming. It's not going anywhere, so it's the future is bright, I think, in coal.
We got a lot of work to do. The future for our industry is strong. We've got policy aligned to support manufacturing and maintenance. And I'd like to check in again in another year with some shots and see what we've done.